Tata Motors is hiring. Are you a BE or B.Tech graduate from the 2023 batch with 12 to 24 months of experience? Here's your chance to accelerate your career with Tata Motors Early Career Program 2025. What's in it for you? Exciting roles in operations, R&D, AIML, SDV, and commercial sectors. A competitive salary of 8.5 lakh per annum. Sponsored higher education at IITs, IIMs, or equivalent institutes. Hands-on experience with cutting-edge projects and mentorship from industry leaders. Eligibility criteria: full-time BE B.Tech in mechanical, electrical, electronics, IT, computer science, and related fields. Minimum 60% throughout academics. 10th, 12th diploma, and B.Tech. 12 to 24 months of industry experience. Who is not eligible? Freshers or unemployed candidates. Candidates with part-time correspondence degrees. Those with frequent job changes. Job locations: Pune, Mumbai, Lucknow, Jamshedpur, Pantnagar, Dharwad, Sanand, and across India. Selection process: 1. Online application. 2. Resume shortlisting. 3. Aptitude and technical assessments. 4. Technical interview. 5. HR interview. How to apply? Head over to the Tata Motors careers page and submit your application now. Why Tata Motors?